Most farmers chase bell peppers. They chase tomatoes. Big investments, big risks, big losses when things go wrong. But here at AGRICDECK Homestead, one of our most reliable crops isn't the biggest crop on our farm. It's spring onions. Fast to grow, relatively affordable to start. And one of our early boxes of 15 spring onions packs sold for 150 rands. That sale completely changed the way we looked at farming, because we realized something. Success in farming isn't always about growing the biggest crop. Sometimes it's about growing the right crop and finding the right customer. But let me be honest, we didn't get it right from the beginning. We overcrowded our spring onions. We underestimated spacing. We underestimated soil preparation. And we learned some expensive lessons along the way. Today, we are taking you behind the scenes at AGRICDECK Homestead to show you exactly how we grow spring onions, the challenges we face, our biggest mistakes, and why this crop continues to be one of our favorites. Welcome to AGRICDECK. Spring onions became part of our homestead for several reasons. First, they are relatively quick. In around 60 to 70 days, you are harvesting. Second, demand is strong. Restaurants, fresh produce markets, street vendors, local communities, everyone uses spring onions. Third, they don't require huge amounts of land. You can start with a small bed and gradually expand. For beginners farmers, they are one of the easiest crops to learn. Healthy soil equals healthy crops. At AGRICDECK, we prepare our beds by loosening the soil deeply. Then we add compost. Our chicken manure compost has become one of our best investments. It improves soil structure and provides nutrients. We level the bed and water lightly before planting. One thing we have learned: never rush bed preparation. The crop depends on it. This was one of our biggest mistakes. We thought more seeds, more plants, more bunches, more profit. We were wrong. The spring onions became too crowded. Airflow reduced. Competition for nutrients increased. Some stems remained thin. Diseases became easier to spread. Harvest quality dropped. Now we understand. Proper spacing actually increases profit. Healthy spring onions grow larger. Harvesting becomes easier. Customers prefer thicker, greener bunches. Sometimes farming teaches you that less is actually more. We mostly grow from seed. We create shallow rows, plant carefully, cover lightly, water gently, then we wait. Patience is part of farming. Many beginners panic after 1 week because nothing appears. Don't panic. The seeds are working on the ground. One thing that completely changed our spring onions production at AGRICDECK was proper water management. Spring onions like consistent moisture, not too dry, not waterlogged, just the right balance. Unlike many commercial farmers who use drip irrigations, here at AGRICDECK we use overhead sprinklers for our spring onions. The sprinklers allow us to water the entire bed evenly, helping young seedlings establish quickly and keeping the soil consistently moist. One lesson we have learned is that timing matters. We prefer watering during the cooler part of the day, especially in the morning or late afternoon, to reduce water loss through evaporation. Overwatering can just be as harmful as underwatering. Too much water can encourage disease and weaken the plant. Too little water slows growth and reduces the quality of the harvest. Finding the balance has been one of our biggest farming lessons. We also feed our spring onions using organic compost and compost-based fertilizers to improve soil health and support steady growth. Healthy soil produces healthier plants. Healthier plants are more resistant to pests and stressful weather conditions. Another thing we have learned is that farming isn't about using the most expensive system. It's about understanding what works for your farm, your budget, and your conditions. For AGRICDECK, overhead sprinklers have worked well, and they have become an important part of our spring onions production system. Many people ask us why we don't use drip irrigation for our spring onions. The answer is simple. Every farm is different. At AGRICDECK, our overhead sprinkler system fits our layout, helps us manage multiple beds efficiently, and has given us good results when combined with proper timing and careful management. Every crop has challenges. Spring onions are no different. We've experienced heavy rain, strong sunshine, yellow leaves, pests, nutrient deficiencies, overcrowding. The biggest lesson: small problems become big problems if ignored. Farmers should inspect crops every day. 5 minutes of checking can save an entire crop. Harvest day is exciting. We carefully pull the onions, keep the stems intact, trim the roots, wash them, bundle them neatly. Presentation matters. Clean produce sells better. Fresh produce sells faster. Customers remember quality. Now let's talk about the numbers. Because farming is a business, one of the things we've learned at AGRICDECK is that quality and presentation matter just as much as production. When we started selling our spring onions, one of our regular pack sizes was a box of 16 spring onions pack sold for 150 rand. That taught us an important lesson. The value isn't just in growing the crop. The value is in how you package it, market it, and build relationships with your customers. Whether you are supplying households, local businesses, or other buyers, consistency and quality can help you command better prices. Another lesson we learn is not just to focus only on production. Growing the crop is only half the job. Finding reliable buyers before harvest is equally important. At AGRICDECK, we believe farming is not just about producing vegetables. It's about building a sustainable business that creates value from the soil to the customer. And that's one of the reasons spring onions have remained one of our favorite crops to grow. Spring onions have taught us many things. Don't overcrowd. Prepare your soil properly. Manage water carefully. Wash your crops daily. Focus on quality. Grow for the market. Stay patient. Most importantly, don't let mistakes discourage you. Every successful farmer has made mistakes. We've made ours. We continue learning every season. That's what farming is all about. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share this video with another farmer, and comment below. Have you ever grown spring onions? What's been your biggest challenge? This is AGRICDECK, where we grow food, build freedom, and inspire the next generation of farmers. Dear viewers, we will see you in the next video.